In this video, I'm going to review problem 3 from the BCA method worksheet. Hopefully you've attempted it on your own, and if you got stuck, you'll watch this video and pause and then try it on your own and then check your answers. Use this as a learning tool. That'll benefit you the most. So problem number 3 says ammonia, NH3 for fertilizer, is made by causing hydrogen and nitrogen to react at high temperature and pressure. How many moles of ammonia can be made from 0.15 moles of nitrogen gas? So our first step is to figure out our balanced chemical equation. So ammonia is made, so that would make ammonia my product, and it's made by hydrogen and nitrogen reacting. So those are my reactants. So just a reminder, hydrogen and nitrogen are both diatomic molecules. So it's H2 plus N2 will give me NH3, my ammonia. So pause the video and try and balance this equation. Hopefully when you balance the equation, you got this. Notice that there are 6 H's on my reactant side and 6 on my product side. There are 2 N's on my reactant side and 2 on my product side. So step 2 says determine what is given and what is unknown. So it says how many moles of ammonia, so that's my unknown, can be made from 0.15 moles of nitrogen gas. So I'm given my 0.15 moles of nitrogen gas. So step 3 is determine the mole ratio. Notice this is blank, so that means 1 mole of nitrogen gas produces 2 moles of ammonia. So my ratio is 1 to 2. And now I'm ready to set up my BCA table. So I am told that I'm given 0.15 moles of nitrogen gas, so that is my before. Since my ammonia is a product, there's going to be none of that before, and I don't care about hydrogen, because that's not what I'm looking for, and that's not what I'm given either. So my change, since nitrogen is a reactant, it's going to be a negative change, and since its coefficient is 1, that means, there's nothing here. That means its coefficient is 1. So its change is going to be minus 1C, whereas my product is being produced, so it's going to be positive, and its mole ratio is 2. So it's going to be plus 2C. So now I have 0.15 minus 1C, which is going to equal 0. I'm using up all my nitrogen in order to form some amount of ammonia, and this is what I want to figure out. How many moles of ammonia will be produced? So 0 plus 2C is going to equal my X, what I'm looking for. So I'm going to start by solving the equation that only has one unknown. So 0.15 minus 1 times C, or minus C, equals 0. So when you solve this equation, you should get C equals 0.15 moles, because 0.15 minus 0.15 would equal 0. So I'm going to plug in my C here. So 2 times 0.15, 2 times 0.15 is going to equal my X. So 2 times 0.15 is like 15, so 2 times 15 is 30, so 2 times 0.15 would give me 0.3. So my X equals 0.30 moles of NH3 will form, so that's my answer. Continue completing this worksheet and then submit it.